Hello, I'm here to introduce you to Canon's newest compact interchangeable lens camera, the EOS M50. Light, compact, and easy to carry, but also feature-rich with interchangeable lens options, the EOS M50 is a great choice for anyone stepping up from a smartphone, looking for a secondary camera to complement their DSLR, or as their main go-to resource for magnificent imagery. Let's take a quick look at some of the exciting features that the EOS M50 has to offer. This camera has a 24.1 megapixel sensor, an APS C size sensor, which is huge when compared to a sensor typically found in a smartphone. It's actually the same size sensor found in SLRs like the Canon EOS 80D, but the EOS M50 is light in weight and ultra compact, so it's easy to carry wherever you want to go. EOS M50 has Canon's powerful dual Pixel CMOS autofocus, whether you shoot through the viewfinder or use the LCD monitor. And Canon's Face Detect AF now offers eye detection AF, which can put the sharpest focus right on a human subject's eye. It's great for tack-sharp portraits and candids. This is the first compact Canon camera that's able to capture 4K video. It's UHD 4K, recorded at 24 frames per second, so it's a perfect match for today's 4K TVs. You can also shoot in full HD at up to 60 frames per second, and it has awesome slow motion capability at 120 frames per second and 720p HD. There's even a setting for capturing 4K time-lapse movies as well. The LCD on the EOS M50 is a full vari-angle screen, meaning it swings out from the side and can be rotated up or down for easy high or low angle shots, or turned around completely to capture a selfie or use it for vlogging. The LCD is a touchscreen with the same intuitive pinch and zoom and scroll features found on most smartphone screens. The EOS M50 also has a built-in electronic viewfinder for a high-resolution view of the subject and lets you see clearly even in bright sunlight. The settings displayed in the viewfinder are customizable, letting you choose from different display options. And with touch and drag AF, you can slide your thumb across the surface of the LCD monitor to focus precisely on different parts of a scene, even when you're using the viewfinder. Everyone wants the ability to share their images and movies with friends and family. And with the included Wi-Fi, NFC, and Bluetooth capabilities, you can share them easily and quickly. You can also use one of your compatible mobile devices to remotely control the camera after pairing it with the camera. The EOS M50 can also automatically send your images to a paired mobile device or computer even while you're still shooting. If a single picture doesn't fully tell your story, the EOS M50's continuous shooting speed can help. You can shoot up to 7.4 frames per second with full continuous servo AF, or as fast as 10 frames per second with the focus locked on a subject. You may find yourself in a situation where the sound of the camera shutter could be distracting. The silent mode dramatically reduces noise from the camera, so you can be confident it'll remain quiet while you shoot. Behind all this performance is a powerful new DIGIC 8 processor. This central processing unit gives the EOS M50 its shooting speed, handles 4K video, and enhances both still and video image quality. And the processor supports new features, like the dual sensing image stabilization, which now can use motion sensors and data from the imaging sensor itself to detect and correct camera shake. The speed, performance, features, and image quality of the EOS M50 make it a superb way to enter the world of interchangeable lens cameras. Whether you're looking for quality still images or 4K and full HD video, portability to take it anywhere, or the quality and flexibility of Canon's EFM lenses, the Canon EOS M50 answers the call. For more information, visit the Canon USA website. Thanks for watching.